Zonal Education Office Zone 3 Thoubal Science Unit na Sinduna 44-Suba District Zonal Level Student Science Exhibition 2026 PAMGTHOKKHRE ngasi khangabok ke laiba khangabok High Secondary School da STEM for Big Sit and Atmanivar Var Thaiba theme da akhanana classes 9 dagi 12 standard ki mahiroi sing oina pangthokiba science exhibition adu hogdokpagi thoramda ZEO Zone 3 Thoubal Y Achoba Singh School adu gi Vice Principal Irom Samkisho AI of School Zone 3 Thoubal TH Brozena Athoiba Mitung Singh Amadi Thoubal College ki Geology Department ki Assistant Professor Dr. S. Sarat Kumar Chemistry Department ki Assistant Professor Dr. A. Shattabhama Devina Jury Member Singh Oina Sarugyaki Zone 3 ki District Science Coordinator S. Sanjoy na Fongdorakpada Pangthokliba Science Exhibition adu da District adu ki tongan ba School ki Mahiroi Kuntarukna Sarugyaki Khwaidigi faba mahiroi manga khangatuna state level competition da saruk yarugani haina fongdoklakhi Zone 3 ki District Science Coordinator S. Sanjoy Singh amadi Resource Person RTE Ahum Angom Surjit Maitai O Sundari Devi amadi L Indira Devi na athoiba mitung sing oina saruyaki Thauram loishalakpada exhibition ki jury singna khangalaba makok mathang taraba mahiroi manga amasung consolation prize ki damakta mahiroi manga da mana yenthopaga loinena atai saruk yariba mahiroi tara taruktasu appreciation certificate piduna pokning thawatki
manipur Suba Zonal District Level Science Exhibition 2026 ki sunglaba khoi STEM for Basic and Atmanivar Bharat Haiba Sigi Theme asida khoi tongan ba school dagi maroina khoi class 9 dagi na 12 pagi manungga laiba mairo sing kun ga taruk na khoi Thoubal district oina asi district level competition asida saruk yari sidagi khoi yamna phaba patiki best manga khangga sagani aduga makhoi manga asi amuk state level gi competition sinda amuk saruk ya gadabani